I got placed in Tata Advanced Systems.
High Tech Next.
Right now I am placed at Infosys.
Right now I am placed for TCS.
I have received one confirmation of internship, which is a Pentork Industries LLP.
I am Akash Bala. I am from Raiganj, Uttar Dinajpur, West Bengal, and I am currently pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering department from Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College.
I'm LNK Dharaneja. I'm a fourth year PE mechanical student at MBSREC in Hyderabad.
I'm CAD CAE of Management Student Technology. And now currently I'm doing my 7th semester and I'm in a mechanical branch.
I'm Nikhil Joshi and I'm attending and pursuing the nano degree program of Elite Techno Groups in Electric Vehicles Design and Development.
And I already did a course, internship type course on CFD, Computational Fluid Dynamics, and FEF, Finite and Element Method.
Because I did a course under ETG called Computational Fluid Dynamics. I think it was for 1.5 months.
First of all, I pursued the internship program and now I'm pursuing the nano degree program.
Very good. Actually, they elaborate the course and teaches us first, and then we have to apply the what we learned.
We were taught something out of the curriculum. It was good. I liked the way it was briefed up. That the right amount of content and the right amount of work. So that way it helped me knowing about CFD better.
The concepts whichever that was taught, most of them I liked it, like suspensions and everything that are explained detailed in this program. Previously, I wasn't pretty much known about these things, but now I am well aware of.
I worked on MATLAB Simulink, which was an excellent experience.
Yes, sir. I already did it to two of my friends.
I would recommend it who has not been introduced to fluid mechanics at all. Those people will find it very fascinating.
As I told my friends,
I have recommended to my couple of friends, and many of them have also tried the bootcamp sessions as well, and in ISB programs as well.